Senator Laila de Lima's former security aide testifies at the House probe into the illegal drug trade at the New Bilibid prison Thursday. Philippine Air Force Sergeant Jonel Sanchez said he witnessed how then Secretary de Lima was really close to her former driver and bodyguard Ronnie Dayan.
Napansin ko lang na di pangkaraniwang pagkamalapit ni Ronnie Dayan at napansin ko lang ni SOG de Lima at kalaunan na kumpirma ko na may relasyon ang dalawa dahil si Ronnie Dayan ay sa bahay ni SOG natutulog. Maging sa mga out of towns na lakad namin, silang dalawa ay magkasama sa isang kwarto. Madalas din kaming pumupunta sa bahay ni SOG de Lima sa Bicol at kapansin-pansin ang sweetness nila. Habang kami ay bumabiyahe papuntang probinsya, sila po ay nagsusubuan ng nilagang saging ng Saba. Sa tuwing kami ay mag-grocery, binibila ni SOG de Lima si Ronnie Dayan ng paborito niyang Pondador at Marlboro. Binibilan din ni SOG de Lima si Ronnie Dayan ng barong, sapatos at mga personal na gamit hanggang tahasan ng ipinagyayabang ni Ronnie Dayan ang relasyon nila ni Secretary de Lima.
Sanchez claims he personally saw the sex video of de Lima and Dayan on the driver-bodyguard's cell phone.
Habang kami po ay nakapark, ako ay tinawag ni Bantam, driver ni SOG de Lima. Habang hawak-hawak niya ang cellphone ni Ronnie Dayan na naiwan sa loob ng sasakyan, nagulat po ako nang ipinakita ni Bantam sa akin ang video ni SOG de Lima at Ronnie na may dalawang sex video. Ang isang video ay nagpupusing si SOG malapit sa shower room na hubad-hubad. At ang isa namang video ay nag-BBJ si SOG de Lima kay Ronnie Dayan.
Justice Secretary Vitaliano Aguirre says Sanchez will be able to prove de Lima's true relationship with her former driver and bodyguard Ronnie Dayan. President Rodrigo Duterte accuses de Lima of having an affair with Dayan. Dayan allegedly acted as her bagman in the NBP drug trade. Aguirre in an interview Tuesday said they will not show the video at the House hearing. He said, "We are not in possession of any video." House Speaker Pantaleon Alvarez earlier said he had no problem with showing the alleged sex video in a House probe. Various groups and lawmakers protested the showing of the alleged video, calling it illegal and misogynistic.